morning first class children. In the last class I told you lesson 3. Lesson 3 new words and meanings. So once again I want to revise that new words, meanings and lesson 3 opposites, tenses and question and answers in this class. So tomorrow you have objective online test. Okay ma? So you have to read well. Learn new words, meanings, opposites, tenses and question and answers. Okay? Okay, very easy. So you once repeat after me while I am telling for you. While I am writing on the board, you have to note it and you have to tell 2 to 3 times. Okay? Take your parents' help and read the words what I am writing on the board. Okay? Okay. So lesson 3, old man and his sons. The old man, O-L-D, old, M-A-N, man, A-N-D, and H-I-S, his, S-O-N-S, sons. So copy down the heading, the old man and his sons. Okay? The old man and his sons. New words. New words I already told you in the last video. So now today meanings you wrote down. Only 3 meanings I will tell you. You please read that 3 meanings. So meanings. All of you repeat after me. First meaning, strength. Strength. So you have 4 ruled book. Yes. So S T R E N G T H. S T R E N G T H. Strength. Okay? Strength. Strength means power. Power. So power spelling P-O-W-E-R. Power. P-O-W-E-R. Power. Strength meaning power. Tell 3 times. Strength meaning power. Strength meaning power. Okay. So if you repeat after me, you won't forget the word. Strength meaning, very good, power. Power spelling P-O-W-E-R. Power. P-O-W-E-R. Okay. Now the second one, harm. H-A-R-M. Harm. H-A-R-M. Harm. Harm meaning hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. Next. Third one, peace. Peace. P-E-A-C-E. Peace. P-E-A-C-E. H-A-R-M. Harm. H-U-R-T. Hurt. H-A-R-M. Harm. H-U-R-T. Hurt. Harm meaning hurt. Here peace. P-E-A-C-E. Peace meaning silence. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. Repeat after me. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. Silence. Okay. Practice these 3 meanings well. Okay. Strength, power, harm, hurt, peace, silence. Okay. Okay ma. Next, opposites. Opposites. Yes, the first opposite, tie. Tie, tie. Tie opposite, untie. Tie opposite, untie. UNTIE, untie. Tie అంటే కట్టడం, untie అంటే కట్టిన దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేసేయడం, untie. Tie opposite, untie. Okay, next second one, difficult. DIFFICULT, DIFFICULT, difficult. Difficult అంటే కష్టంగా ఉండడం. Difficult means very tough. Okay, difficult opposite, easy. EASY, easy. EASY, easy. Next, happy. HAPPY, happy. HAPPY, happy. Happy opposite, sad. SAD, sad. SAD, sad. Okay, next fourth one, separate. SEPERATE, separate. SEPERATE, separate. Separate meaning unity. UNITY, unity. So what is the moral of this lesson? What the old man want to see his sons? So the old man want his 3 sons to be united together. సెపరేట్ అంటే విడిపోవడం, విడిపోవాలనుకున్నాడు ఆ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్. నో, వాళ్ళందరూ కలిసి ఉండాలనుకున్నాడు. సో సెపరేట్ ఆపోజిట్, యూనిటీ. టై ఆపోజిట్, అన్టై. టెల్ 3 times. టై, అన్టై. డిఫికల్ట్, ఈజీ. హ్యాపీ, సాడ్. సెపరేట్, యూనిటీ. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ singular plurals. Singular plural. First one, stick. Stick. STICK, stick. Stick plural form, sticks. STICKS, sticks. STICK, stick. STICK, stick. STICKS, sticks. Boy. BOY, boy. BOYS, boys. MAN, man. MEN, men. Fourth one, son. SON, SON, son. SONS, sons. Once again, stick, sticks. Boy, BOY, boy. BOY, boy. Boys, BOYS, boys. Man, MAN, man. Men, MEN, men. SON, son. SONS, sons. Okay, so read the singular plurals also. Okay, repeat after me 2 to 3 times, then you will be thorough with the spellings. Okay, next question and answers. Question and answers. First question. HOW. How many? MANY. Many. How many? HOW. How? MANY. Many. Like that you have to tell the letters what you are writing and you have to copy down. Okay? Or otherwise, while I am telling, you also please repeat the word along with me. Okay? Sons. 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 Did. 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 The. 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 Old man. OLD. Old man. 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 Have. HAVE. So, old man have. How many sons did the old man have? ఎంతమంది కొడుకులు ఉన్నారు ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్కి స్టోరీలో? 4, 5, 2, 3. Very good. 3 sons. How many sons? 3 sons. The old man had 3 sons. But just you write the answer 3 sons. Enough. Okay. THREE 3. SONS. Sons. 3 sons. Okay. Next. Second question. What could the sons not break? What could the sons not break? ఏవి వాళ్ళు విరక్కొట్టలేకపోయారు? Bundle of sticks. Answer is the bundle of sticks. Second question. What could the sun not break? NOT. Not. BREAK. Break. What could the suns not break? Answer the bundle of sticks. Answer the bundle of sticks. BUNDLE. Bundle. OF of sticks. 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 What were they able to break easily? What were they able to break easily? ఈజీగా ఏం బ్రేక్ చేసేసారు? Very good. The separated sticks. What did they break easily? What did they broke that easily? Separated sticks. Third question. I will rub the first answer and write here first question. Third question. What were they break easily? What were they break easily? ఏం ఇరక్కొట్టారు వాళ్ళు ఈజీగా? Separated. The separated sticks. the separated sticks. T-H-E, the S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E-D, separated. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks, the separated sticks. Okay, what were they break easily? The separated sticks. Okay, copied on. Next, who give you good advice? Our elders give us good advice. So yesterday I posted this lesson in your WhatsApp group. Not yesterday, on Wednesday I posted this lesson in your WhatsApp group. So once revise these question and answers. Okay, if you write, you can see the classwork and read well. Just today I gave you the revision. 4-5 questions I will tell you shortly. Okay, not in that what I gave, that questions are very big, and now here I am going to give you short questions. Okay, learn 4-5 questions very well. Okay ma. 4th question. What did the WHAT, what did the DID, did, THE, the old man wanted to teach his sons? Old man, OLD, old, MAN, man, want, 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 to, 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 TEACH, 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 his sons, HIS, sons. Answer is about unity. About unity, UNITY. So actually there the answer is given that the old man wanted to teach his sons about unity. Just you learn about unity, it's enough. Okay, ABOUT, about, UNITY, unity, about unity. Okay, next, 5th question. Who gives you good advice? Who gives you good advice? Advice means what? మంచి సలహాలు, టిప్స్. ఎవరిస్తారు మీకు మంచి అడ్వైజర్స్? యువర్ ఎల్డర్స్, పెద్దవాళ్ళు. అవునా కాదా? పెద్దవాళ్ళు. సో అవర్ ఎల్డర్స్. Who gives you good advice? Answer is our elders. Our elders gives us good advice, but just our elders you learn. Our elders, O-U-R, our. Tell me, O-U-R, our. E-L-D-E-R-S, elders. Okay. Okay ma. These 5 questions, revise the video 2 to 3 times and listen to the video carefully, and you learn these questions, meanings, opposites for tomorrow's online exam. Okay, try to read the question 2 to 3 times so that it will be easy for you. Okay, okay ma. Here next, one more question I want to ask you. If you hurt anyone, what will you say? Suppose ఎవరినైనా మీరు బాధ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తారు? థ్యాంక్స్, సారీ, వెల్కమ్, వావ్. వాట్ విల్ యూ సే? సారీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. You came to first class. You have to identify the letters and read the words carefully. Take your parents' help and read the words carefully, and you should all attend tomorrow's objective test, online exam. Okay, and after that you post the result to my WhatsApp number. Okay ma? Okay, lesson 3 revision. Today what I told you? Lesson 3 revision. Okay? Okay, and again all of you listen to the tale of Miss Mopet lesson. Okay, Monday I will give you that notes. Okay? Okay ma? Bye. Take care. Enough for today.